Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to Alphamantraining.com. We are driving to make dance order, one show, gangster show. So how to contact Alphamantraining.com? We are doing this video because some of you writing messages, and at the messages like, dude, help me out. We cannot answer to such kind of short messages because there's no described problem, there's no information where you are from, what is your situation, where are you struggling right now, what is your problem, time period in which you want to solve this problem, the amount of money you are able to invest. You can give, interval, like from, I can invest from, 500 till 100,000. Just give, the amount of money, like how much you can invest into solving that problem. How much money you are ready to spend to solve that problem. What else? Amazing girl standing with shorts, with tiger shorts. Ass looks amazing. Walking. So, and your country, where are you able to fly, where you want to do training, or to solve that problem. But actually without training it's impossible to solve that problem fully. And just yeah, this one, and pretty much your age, like fill up all the form, like all the information. In that way you will get the best answer. Like we really will answer and will help you out with the best solution. Tin tin señorita. Yesterday I danced. I approached a girl on a bus stop, and she was sitting, and we danced bachata. I pulled her to home. So this song is actually playing in my head at this moment. Same results you will get as well. You will be able to approach any girl you want. She can walk down the street, she can sit down at the bus stop. You will be able to approach, talk to her, seduce her, pull her to your apartment or go to her apartment, and we'll have sex. So amazing results are waiting you, and don't afraid, invest. There are products on our website. You click products, you insert into cart all products, you pay. Once funds will clear on our account, we will contact with you and will ask your driving licenses or government ID. You will send, and then we will unlock all products. You will start to watch, learn everything. Why we need your driving license or government ID? Because for protection of our products, you will be forbidden to send to your computer, to show to any other person most products, disclose any information in most products. So in that way we protect just men who are on AMT list, clients list, no AMT systems. They are able to approach, use those systems and get amazing results. Then they writing us reports how we approach and have sex with girls, or just how approach, get numbers. it's actually most important to show the progress in the report, what progress we're having. So like this. So thanks for watching and contact with us, and until next time, see you.